Hi, I'm Gražina Cumming, Marketing Manager at Realstone Systems. Today, I'm excited to share with you our latest merchandising offering, which is our tabletop display and handboards. So here's the display. It has a nice footprint at 20 by 12, doesn't take up a lot of space, fits in all different types of showrooms, and has 14 of these grooves. The boards that fit in here are 7 by 16, and they hold pretty much every Realstone product that we have available. The sample is attached to the board and is part of the system. It is identified on the back with a card. There's a QR code at the top that will lead the customer for more information on our website and for images. And as you can see, it fits nicely right in this display, or it has a notch in the middle where it can hang on a hook in a slapboard display or any sort of hook display you may have in your showroom. You can also have these products sit in 2 rows, as you can see here, for up to 28 boards being displayed in one place. They're easy to get in and out, they're easy to transport to job sites, and they're available now. So reach out to your ISR or your salesperson and you can order some today.